Look at all these to the right yet. Well, we're over here in Lebanon. Got up at about 2 a.m. this morning and drove up here, got here around 3:30 and spent the last 4 hours putting out the 1900 decoys you see here. So we got about 125,000 snows on Middle Creek, which is about 4 or 5 miles from us, and hopefully we can get a couple thousand of them to commit to us today. But we got a lot of wind, it's overcast, so hopefully it's going to be a good hunt.
Silent, flock there, flock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 flocks there, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, there's 17 flocks coming at us. See how bad they fight that wind.
Someone right out there, one right out there.
Kill them.
Kill him.
No way. Yep. One's, yeah, that one.
You catch that?
That one's about to go down. They're coming back around, aren't they?
None.
None.
Well, they should have been dead.
Don't shit on me.
Yeah. Now those you can take out. Watch you pull them out front.
I have to punch them.
They're dropping pretty good now.
Two in the front are coming.
Yeah, they're coming. Hold on. Wind's blowing them out. You see that?
Look at all these here. Here's some.
There they come. There they come. There they come. There they come.
Yeah, they're coming. Come on. Oh, they're veering off. Oh, nope, they're coming back. They're coming back. They're coming back. The whole flock is coming. Oh, there's a lot more coming.
Kill him.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go, guys. There you go, guys. There you go. There you go. Watch him.
That's too far.
What is it? 5?
3, I think. I don't know, I absolutely crumpled the first one I shot at. And then I don't know that I hit anything.
Way to go, man. Jason said, they're turning. I said, they're just catching the wind, man. They just wanted to go out and catch that wind to come in the right way.
Dropped right in, too. Some good shooting, too.
They are coming in pretty, oh, you know.
Yeah. They're gonna do it.
Behind us. Nope.
Said kill him.
Oh yeah, look at this. Try to keep your face under a decoy if you can. If you can do it. Why was he walking out fast? Look at this shit. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a blue right in the front.
No, it's a juvie.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit. Nope.
Dang. Come on, somebody commit. I think it's just a juvie. Is it a blue? Oh, yeah.
Come on, drop that. Please, Sal. You don't have any doesn't bother me. Go back there. See what happens at lunchtime.
Wait till Hunting PA gets a load of this. Look at this. This is unbelievable.
You're almost in, man.
Look, they just hit each other up there.
Oh, here comes one right here. Let him go. Let him go.
This is wild.
Did you see that signal? Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
They're getting down almost blowing up. You just gotta watch them swim. Like one more crash and drop it. Pretty sure trouble with those guys. So he's coming down the same.
Yep.
There's too damn many swarms.
Look at all these birds.
It makes one more swim. It's gonna be. Get ready. Here they come.
Here they come.
There it is, baby. Dennis, do you hear me?
You let us know.
Dennis, do you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Can you hear me?
We hear
Yeah.
you.
Kill him! I just dusted that last
4,
one.
5. 5 down.
Wow. That was spectacular.
That's what I want to see.
That's it, baby.
Here they come. They're coming back.
They're coming back.
That was pretty, wasn't it?
Ladies coming in right here to the left. I don't know which one to take.
You got your choice here, guys. You got them left and right.
Kill him!
Get him.
Jesus! Watch your sail. Watch your sail.
Single coming back.
Watch. He's coming back.
Single's coming back right here.
See? Down here.
Smoked that one. Yeah, buddy.
He fell. How many
know about
dropped
that?
out that bunch?
I don't know.
6, 7?
Well, we had one tornado today. We had all totaling birds today. These guys were on their first snow goose hunt, killed their first snow geese. Jason over here killed his first one. Chip over here killed his first banded bird today. Dennis, Jason did a super job with everything. I want to thank everybody for just helping out, and you guys for coming along.
Thanks for taking us.
Everybody's
Thanks, Jimmy.
Great
Yeah,
time.
thanks, Jimmy.
We really do appreciate it.
16 birds today.
Thank you.